Hey, welcome to MemberSpace. In this demo, I'm going to show you how adding our snippet of code lets you sell members-only access to a beautiful library of digital content and exclusive members-only pages of your website. First, decide where to host your members-only content. The quickest and easiest way is to upload files, embed videos, or write posts right in MemberSpace. But if you prefer hosting your content on your website, you can lay it all out however you'd like. With MemberSpace, you have full control over what you sell and then how you sell it. The member menu is a built-in content hub where you'll organize all of the resources your members can access. Everything is organized into collections, which are groups of members-only content assigned to pricing plans. Adding content to a collection adds a paywall around that members-only content. You can upload files like images, PDFs, and MP3s. You can embed videos hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia, and you can write posts like newsletters, blog articles, and lessons all right here in MemberSpace. Or you can lock any page with premium content on your website by entering the URL. Next, you'll set a price for that collection of premium content. With MemberSpace, you have the flexibility to charge your customers however you'd like. So you could charge a recurring subscription payment. You could do just a one-time payment. You could do a multiple payment, which is kind of like a payment plan, or you can grant access to your premium content for free. When you choose a paid option for the first time, you'll need to connect Stripe, which is the payment processor. And if you don't have a Stripe account, you can create one for free. It's super easy. So once Stripe is connected, simply determine the payment details for your pricing plan. On your website, check that MemberSpace was successfully installed after adding our snippet of code by looking for this floating member button. It automatically appears once MemberSpace is added to your website, and it lets visitors sign up or log in. It's also how members open the member menu and access your members-only content. If you're not ready to accept signups yet, or if you'd prefer to place links to sign up, log in, and access the member menu elsewhere, you can easily disable the floating member button, and then you can add custom links to your header or somewhere else on your website. So if you visit a locked page or click a direct link to content you gated with MemberSpace, you'll see that the paywall was successfully added, and visitors will be asked to either sign up or to log in. So let's create a quick account. MemberSpace makes it super easy to get new customers with Google Sign Up and one-click subscription payments through Apple Pay and Google Pay. And if someone abandons the sign-up process, we'll automatically remind them to finish signing up via emails and pop-ups on your website. Now that we've signed up, we can view the premium members-only content. Members can also easily navigate to locked pages or external tools like Calendly or Zoom, all from right here within the member menu. To get the full customer experience, we recommend inviting yourself directly from the MemberSpace admin, or you can sign up on your website like we did earlier. And then once you've confirmed that everything is set up correctly, it's time to start accepting members. Here in the members view, you'll find a list of your members that you can filter and search through. And then in the dashboard, you'll see all sorts of metrics that can be easily tracked, including a breakdown of your revenue. As you grow, you can add additional collections, content, and pricing plans. You can also sell the same collections across various pricing tiers, so there's no need to duplicate your premium content. So you can customize MemberSpace to fit your needs, including the MemberSpace widgets your customers see on your website, and the transactional emails we send on your behalf, like the welcome emails for new members and then receipts for successful payments. At MemberSpace, we're here to support your success every step of the way with free resources like templates, step-by-step workshops, and more to help you launch and then grow your business. And if you have any technical questions along the way, our friendly support team is always ready to assist. Plus, we offer live support sessions where you can get real-time guidance and answers to your questions. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And once again, welcome to MemberSpace. We look forward to celebrating your success.